it's your girl Alicia Jones. I'm getting ready to do a new crochet style. It's been a minute since I've done this kind of crocheting style. I've been doing braids and twists. They have had a hold on me. So this is my braiding pattern. I got 10 braids in the front. This is the back, and then my little braid, I always tuck it with the crochet needle. That's my hair. This is the hair I'm gonna be installing today. This is Harlem 125's Kima Braid. I think this is my first time trying anything Harlem 125. This is their Ripple Deep in 14 inches, the color number 2. I bought 5 packs and they were $5.99 a pack. Now, I don't know how easy or hard it is to access this hair because I've been holding on to this hair, I want to say, since 2020 or 2021. Me in 2024. So this is what the hair looks like. It kind of has that kinky straight type texture. So, and then that's what it looks like. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get in with the install. All right, y'all, so this is 2 packs. So I got 3 packs left. What I've been doing is just spacing the hair apart.
When there's no hope loving for you who saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame, a past we simply let fade. But I don't close the door, waiting the chance for one.
Okay, y'all, so now that I'm at the top, I'm gonna start splitting the hair depending on the size of the strand. I'm gonna split it once or twice. So I split this one already, and basically all I do is I close the latch hook, place it underneath the braid. I'm going to take the hair, place it on the latch hook, close it, pull it through, and then I open it up. I always keep my hand on this. Make sure you got your fingers like this, and then I'm going to just start knotting. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. So I'm gonna pull it tight and then do it like this. This hair is really good for holding the knot. I love it. So that's literally all I do. It's very, very easy. If you're not good with braiding, you can do the braidless method. You just slick your hair back with some gel or however you want to do it. Put your parting where you want your parting to be, and then you can crochet on your unbraided hair. So you could do this style if you can't cornrow. With the rubber band method, I'm not sure how this style would look. I've never tried it. Repeat it. Pull it through. Now that one I just did 3 times. And then sometimes it'll be like some hair that didn't get pulled through. I take that and then I just pull it out, because sometimes it happens. Bam, and that's what I do. So these 2 are going to be for my invisible part, so I'm going to finish the rest of this and then I'm going to come back. All right, y'all, so we're doing the invisible part method. So for this side it's easy, but for this one I'm going to have to, for this one I can insert the crochet needle regularly. So I do that, but instead of pulling both of them through, I'm just gonna pull the one. So I'm gonna put this one in my mouth, or you can tuck it behind your ear. Three knots, bam, and then that's what you do for the invisible method. Then I'm just gonna continue it. So for the invisible method, I like to pull the hair apart for sure, because I want it to lay properly and I don't want it to be bulky. So this one strand, I'm gonna just pull it once. And I haven't opened up the 5th pack of hair yet, which is great. So I'm going to take the latch hook. I'm gonna see where I got the other piece of hair. Place it on there, close it. Remember to only pull the one through. And it helps when you keep the other hair out of the way. It really helps. Go in with the next one. And then you just repeat it until you get it to how you want it to look. And there we go. So I'm gonna just tuck it. Okay, now for this side, I want my hair to lay this way for a side part. So in order for it to lay this way perfectly, or the way that I want it to, I'm going to insert the crochet needle a different way. So basically I'm gonna split the hair. Y'all, I might get away with using 4-pack. And this really helps and works best if you have a mirror. So I'm going to put the latch hook the opposite direction of how I would normally do it, which is awkward. So I'm gonna insert it from the left, not the right. And place it, close it, pull it through. Okay, so I'm gonna put that hair in my mouth because it seems to hold it a little bit better. Pull it tight, and then there we go. And then I just repeat until I get all the way back. Now I'm not gonna do it all the way back. I'm gonna probably stop it right here, right there. Make sure y'all keep y'all hair out the way, because if you are like still fairly new at this, that extra hair in the way is a pain. Bam. Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm all done. This is the finished look, you guys, and I am in love with this crochet hair. It's so lightweight, install super easy, love it. I only used 4 packs and a little bit of the 5th pack, and this is how much I have left. Super easy install, y'all. So easy. Love it. This is a blend of Toyoka line and Connect line hair. This is 14 inches and I love it. I have missed crochet hair. I've been so obsessed with the braids and the twists that I completely forgot. It's been months since I did this kind of crochet install. Like months. But super cute. Color number 2. This is gonna be my next hairstyle for the next couple weeks, and I love it. It's so lightweight, like it don't even feel like I have nothing on my head right now. Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a huge favor, hit the like button, share, leave me a comment. Have you tried this hair? Did you like this hair? Y'all also gotta stay tuned for a review. I also have a full long playlist, years playlist of crochet braids, crochet installs, crochet reviews. I'll leave those down below so you can go check those out. And yeah, you guys, I will see y'all in the next video. Love it, love it, love it. And it's not super duper long, it's just right. So yeah, I like it. I'll see y'all in the next video. Until next time, bye guys.